Okay, that doesn't suck, but what I have to tell you does suck. So a little backstory. I am in the middle of filming a video, and that's actually why I'm here. This is the Bitcoin Hotel. I have a whole video about it coming soon, but something terrible happened to me today. It's something bad for you too. And I really need to get on camera and ask for your help and ask for your thoughts. What do you think about this? In the video, I thought it'd be a really great segment to show me buying Bitcoin on my phone. Because one of the challenges with crypto for people who are very new or don't understand it is, how do you get started? How do you buy, how do you get Bitcoin if you're an absolute beginner? So I show the process of doing that on your phone. Now, as I'm buying Bitcoin with my phone, I use my credit card and debit card, and both of them get declined. And I think it's very odd because that shouldn't happen. So I call Chase. And the rest of this video is the call that I have with Chase, which is frankly really concerning, and I want to hear what you guys think about it. The video isn't filmed super well. I think some of it's like out of focus and blurry, but the reason is I didn't expect to record that call. And to be frank, it might actually be good for Bitcoin and good for cryptocurrency, what they're doing. So let me go ahead and cut to that scene where you can see me on the call with Chase, finding out why my cards got declined when I tried to buy crypto. Sorry, can you say that again?
Cryptocurrency merchants are not accepted on the credit card, so that's why it was declined.
May I know why?
Chase doesn't allow them to go through. I don't know why those policies are set, but that's the reason why it was declined.
Okay, so I wasn't aware that Chase was allowed to make purchasing decisions for me.
We can block certain merchants. Cryptocurrency transactions are not allowed to go through.
Okay, wow, that's really disheartening to hear. That makes me want to leave Chase permanently. May I ask why that's a policy?
So I mean, it could be due to financial risk in regards to cryptocurrency. I don't know, sir. I don't make those policies. I don't know why they're set into place. I just have to be the one to inform you.
Gotcha. Is there anyone that I could speak to that is a policymaker? I've had a Chase card for, I can't even tell you how long. Chase Bank is my primary and only bank, and I've never once in my life had Chase tell me that I can't make a decision on what I choose to buy. Like, that blows my mind. Like, you don't think that's odd?
Again, sir, I definitely apologize. If you're wanting to talk to someone else, I can always get you to a supervisor, but there's not a way to talk to someone who makes those policies.
Gotcha. Okay, yeah, let me speak with a supervisor, please. All right, so I'm on hold with Chase because Chase Bank will not allow purchases from crypto merchants. So I'm actually not able to buy Bitcoin with my card. I've never been told by a bank.
Thanks for calling Chase. My name is Zach. Can you verify your name, please?
Yes, it's Marc, M-A-R-C.
Thank you. What can I help with?
Hey, so the reason I'm calling is because something very scary happened today with Chase. So I have a business account, I have a personal credit card, I have a personal bank account, and I tried to make a purchase today, and I was told by the representative that because the merchant deals with cryptocurrency, I can't make a purchase. And I've never in my entire life been told by my bank I can't make a purchase before. So I was told that it's a blanket Chase policy, and I just want to find out, A, if that's true, B, why Chase gets to be daddy and choose what I can and can't buy with my own money. And also to find out if that's just on the credit card or if that also affects my debit card.
That's a good question as well. So Chase can restrict the right of what can be charged or not charged on a credit card.
Okay.
Because we're lending the money out of good faith that you're going to pay it back. So they have the right to restrict transactions. Now, as far as the banking side and debit card side, I can't speak just on behalf of that because I don't work for that department. But if you want, I can get them on the line and they can give you an answer of whether or not it would be approved or restricted. I personally think it should be allowed just because that is your money. Now, credit card, it's not. It's Chase's money that we're borrowing from the government.
Gotcha.
But your debit card, I would think it would, but I can't give you that answer. I know you said you have a business account with us. Do you have a personal debit card?
I do.
A personal checking account?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I think they'll probably be able to give you the answer for business and personal on that debit card side. But give me just a moment. I'll get them on the line.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Salvador. I hope you're doing well today. What can I do for you, sir?
Hey, so the reason I'm calling is I want to verify if I'm able to make purchases with my debit card with merchants that deal with cryptocurrency? Because it looks like Chase doesn't allow. Sorry, it looks like Chase won't allow me to do it with my credit card.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry to say, but we have just recently changed our protocol for cryptocurrency purchases. You may need to use your checking account number and routing number. This is for the security of the account, sir. So we highly suggest to use the account number and routing number instead of the debit card, sir.
But if I want to use the debit card, I can.
It will decline, sir. It will not go through.
Okay, but it is my money in the account, right?
Yes, sir.
So why does Chase get to decide what I can spend my money on?
We do apologize, sir. This is because we are getting a lot of fraudulent transactions using the debit cards. So to secure the account, it is suggested to use the account number and routing number instead.
Well, the key word you use there is suggested. But that's not the word you mean, right? The word you mean is demand, right? Because a suggestion means I can take your suggestion or not. You're telling me I don't have a choice. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you see a problem with that?
Well, I can only suggest that you can try using your debit card to make your cryptocurrency transactions, sir. But I cannot guarantee that your transaction will be approved. If you want, I can connect your call over with our debit card team so that they can check if your transaction will be allowed.
Okay, please.
That'd be fine with you?
Yes, thank you. It's incredible. It's my money.
Thank you. How can I help you today?
Hey, so I just got transferred over to your center here. And the reason I'm calling is because I tried to make a purchase earlier today, my credit card, and it was for something cryptocurrency related. And I was told that Chase will not allow me to make purchases with anything related to cryptocurrency with my credit card. The gentleman on the phone said that I should be able to do that with my debit card. So I'm just calling to verify that I can spend my own money the way that I want to.
Well, surely you can, and what we are only letting you know is that the purchase in question that is made with terms of any kind of purchases with Bitcoins, right? We are allowing customers making the purchases with it, but that would be through ACH as a method of payment, not the Visa debit card.
Okay, but just so we're clear, it's my debit card, right, with my money? Like it's not credit, right? It's not credit, it's not Chase's money, it's my money, right?
Yes, indeed.
Okay, so just a question. You work for Chase, right?
Yes, I am from the fraud prevention department, sir.
Great, okay, so Chase gives you a paycheck once every 2 weeks, I think, maybe once a month, probably once every 2 weeks, and hopefully it's a big check. I hope you get paid a lot. But Chase gives you a paycheck. Now, do you think it would be fair if Chase told you where you can and you can't spend the money of your own paycheck? Do you think that would be fair?
Well, I believe we are talking about a completely different scenario here altogether.
You
now,
think so?
I'll let you know how.
Okay, please.
Ideally, I believe this call needed to be routed to the telephone banking service department, because right now you're speaking to the fraud department, but just that so, we can have this cleared out for you, right? We have never been declining customers when it comes to purchasing Bitcoins all this while, all along, in terms of having payments done to the cryptocurrency. I'm sure if you have been doing transactions earlier, right? And we totally understand it's your money. You are entitled to spend it the way you would like to. That's completely appreciated. What has been happening currently at the market in terms of the cryptocurrency market being evolving, right? There have been loads of security concerns that we have been coming across in terms of customers' accounts and the card in question being compromised, right? That's very important, considering into it and taking into consideration that it is a financial institution we are dealing with, right? We need to have concerns taken when something is at stake in terms of security. And this is only to put those things into practice, right, so that we are able to safeguard the larger interest of our customers and our consumers, that this particular, we have come up with this kind of an remedy in terms of it is a sensitive matter. All that we are advising the customer is we are not letting them know that, no, we do not want you all to make the purchase. You're more than welcome to make the purchases with cryptocurrency, but kindly use ACH as a method of payment. That is all. And every cryptocurrency website does provide you with the routing number, with the account number. Right, and that is a secured manner, a secured way in making those payments.
All right, well, I appreciate your time in talking to me and explaining Chase's policy on this. All right, what do you think? You heard it right from the cow's mouth. I shouldn't say that. She's probably a very nice woman. I meant Chase as the cow. She's more of the milker, milking money out of the cow for herself. I don't know where I'm going with this, but what do you think? Do you think that the policy that Chase has, where you cannot use your credit card, is fair, which I think probably is? They're paying, not you, theoretically. But do you think that them not allowing you to use your debit card is fair? That I have a little bit more trouble with. Anyway, what do you think? Post in the comments and let me know. This became a video. I didn't expect it to. I was just gonna do this little part of my crypto videos on how I'm gonna buy some crypto and then use it here in El Zonte, El Salvador, but it turns out not gonna happen. The crazy thing about all of this is exactly why you need crypto. This is exactly why people need to control their own money. I don't like Chase making decisions for me. Sorry, I don't care how many security issues they have. For example, you wouldn't shut down Microsoft and stop people from using their debit card to buy Microsoft just because there's 1,000 Indian Microsoft scams. Sorry, doesn't work like that. You don't shut down the entire country of Nigeria because a lot of scammers are from Nigeria. That's how I feel, but maybe you feel differently. But I will say this. This is exactly why I believe in cryptocurrency. You earn your money, you trade your time and effort, your creativity and your intelligence into something tangible. And then you have someone tell you how you can use that. That to me is insane. No one would come to you and say, hey, guess what? You have to become a pencil maker. Well, guess what? They did in China, in Russia, and in some other South American countries. They will tell you what job you have to do. In the modern world, in America, even in China nowadays, you choose what you do with your time. If you want to do nothing and sit around and be broke, you can do that. If you want to go out and learn photography and get good at that and do wedding photography and earn your money doing that, you can do that. You get to choose how you create the value from your time in your life, but you don't get to choose how you can use it. Sorry, I don't buy it. So anyway, I'm very mad at Chase. I don't like them telling me what I can and can't buy. Theoretically, you can use your bank account, but you can't use a debit card, which makes it very hard. One of the problems with crypto is, frankly, it's not very user-friendly. It's very difficult to get involved and interested in crypto, especially if you're a beginner. Why? Because it's such a new technology and most people are older. I know people, for example, my friend David, his mom won't even use online banking. So people like that will never get to use crypto if it's hard to get access to. So on the other hand, I can understand why they're making it difficult. There are a lot of scams in crypto, but you guys can tell me what you think, and I am curious to know. All right, that's it. Follow me for more crypto, travel, perspective, and food videos, although today is just crypto. All right, I know it's difficult to complain here when it's this beautiful, but trust me, I'll find a way. All right, so that is the view from the ocean. Thanks for watching, guys.